So if you guys been following along the channel, we've been building this 387 stroker here in the machine shop. And Dave called me up and he said, we got some issues, bro.
All right, so we have an issue with the 387.
It's in detention right now.
Dave's mad at it. So we mocked up one of the pistons and the crankshaft, and we have a small issue here. Go ahead, Dave. See it? We have to actually clearance this piston just a tad because the counterweights, aren't clearanced enough for it. So it seems like the factory rod is getting stuck. The rod bolt's getting stuck right here on the block that needs clearanced a little bit. It also is hitting at the bottom of the bore, so.
I'm doing this build as budget as possible, and these are some things that are gonna need to be done to this block.
So what are we gonna do? Clearance the shit out of it, don't we?
We got to clearance the block now, and we got to clearance the pistons. We might be able to clearance the rod bolts.
All right, I wanted to show you guys the piston. Check that out. 302 piston and a 351 with a Windsor rod on a 385 crank.